There is governing bodies in this physical reality, right? We have court systems, we have lawyers, judges, and different types of courts. Just like there is in the physical, there's also same structures in the spiritual realms, but in a complete different way, not in such a dense as we have it in the physical reality. So these beings are here to serve us, and they want us to be freed from these karmic lessons or experiences that we have decided to experience on a soul level. On a soul level, we already have preset our life of how it's going to be. Sometimes there are certain things that you cannot change. It's already pre-programmed for you to experience certain karmic patterns. So let's say you came into this life at the age of 22, you're going to experience a downfall, let's say. And that's going to be there because no matter what happens, it's already programmed for you to experience that. Why? Because it has a greater understanding and a rise behind it. It's pre-programmed because it's going to take you to a different trajectory in life. So sometimes these patterns can be changed and shifted through a strong focus and awareness into the ethers, and you can rewrite your karmic agreements and contracts. So by understanding the energy bodies and strengthening your emotional body, your mental body, you'll be able to have a stronger focus. That's why we go through all these energy processes. Once you have established that and you're able to hold a focus in your meditative state, now you will not only be able to hold a focus for yourself, but hold space for others in the most highest vibration. And if you're able to hold a focus this way, now you can go in front of the Karmic Board and ask them to rewrite the contract. The Karmic Board will either grant you or deny you. If they deny you, that means there's some more energetic work that needs to be done, or some sort of realization or healing that needs to be done in order to grant that transformation or healing. Most of the stuff of everything with the Karmic Board has to refer to you, no one else. Everything is referred to your energy field, to your physical body, to your state of consciousness.